Well, do you find yourself making the same old drinks at home?
It's time to mix it up. Carly Kidd, owner of Queenie's Cocktail Bar in Simsbury, and Lisa Hamill, the owner of Wine Etc. in Granby, are here showing us their drink kits that they offer. Hey, ladies, how are you?
Hey guys, how are you?
You look great in your pink. I love it.
It's for your Pinkity
Yes,
kit.
we had to make sure we coordinated today.
So you're mixing it up today.
That's right.
What is in front of you? Do I see triple sec, or is that something else?
This is peach snaps.
Peach snaps.
Part of the
Okay.
drink.
So show us the drink you're making.
So it's called the Pinkity Drinkity. My daughter named it. Apparently, it was a TikTok trend during lockdown to get your other half through the drive-through for a certain well-known coffee maker to get them to ask for a Pinkity Drinkity. So it was a bit of a TikTok craze.
Okay. So how do you do it?
So you get some ice in your shaker, and Lisa's going to make it with me as well. We've already pre-measured our vodka here. We have 1 ounce of vodka. Then we're going to do half an ounce of Chambord and half an ounce of schnapps. If you want to do the schnapps.
Sure. And then we'll
Can't get the
swap.
lid open.
Absolutely. Oh, big muscles.
Okay, so we love it.
You
we
said
love
half
your
an ounce, right?
Half
accent.
an ounce. Yeah. So put that in there.
We love your accent.
always
Where does
like
it
this
come from?
There we go. There we go. And then 2 ounces of OJ and 2 ounces of Crown.
Oh, yum. Love a
Flip
good
it
Bigger
over.
size, yeah.
Boy, I'm making a big mess over here.
It gets sticky. Swapsies.
Oh, this smells so good, though.
Yeah, the peach is really good.
It makes it for sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, and then you put your lid on. Give it a good shake. There you go.
music to my ears.
You want to shake your drinks with alcohol and
Uh-oh,
get the
I
lid on
think I did it backwards.
with citrus so that it mixes well.
What's going on, girlfriend?
There we go.
Oh my God.
You got
that
it?
looks delicious.
I had it backwards, but I got it. I figured it out. Wow, that looks beautiful.
Yeah. Then we have a nice orange garnish each. So we like a garnish here, and some raspberries, and a little pink straw as well.
Let's see. Ooh, this is beautiful.
I mean, I'll-
Oh, yeah, we're just a little. Here we go.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right.
Cheers.
You guys, a donation from each sale will benefit Be Bright Pink. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Absolutely.
Yeah, sure. So they are a company that raise awareness for risk assessment and education for breast and ovarian cancer.
Oh, that's wonderful.
BeBrightPink.org.
Yes.
Well,
Absolutely. So any cocktail kit that you purchase here in our Simsbury location, we're going to take a portion of that purchase and we're going to donate it back to this organization. We want to encourage everyone to do that early detection and make sure that they have their mammogram scheduled and that they're making sure they understand the risk. It's very important.
Yeah.
And again, we could try and just make this at home, or you have these drink kits. Everything you need
Yes.
is right at Wine Etc. in Granby, so you can just walk out with your little Pinkity Drinkity kit and take it home and mix it.
Yeah. Absolutely. You can also get them in the Simsbury store, which is in Hot Meadow Street in Simsbury Town.
Oh, great.
Wonderful.
Carly, where's your accent from? Where are you from originally?
Simsbury. England.
England.
Ah,
Okay.
we are all saying we love your accent.
Thank you.
Oh, that's great.
Cheerio.
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 All right, bye, guys. Thanks for being with us. We appreciate it. Have a great weekend.
You
Okay,
too.
you
Thanks
too.
for having us.
Oh, that drink looks delicious.
Everything sounds better in an English accent.
Doesn't it?
It just, no matter what you say, if you speak with an English accent, it's just better.
Excuse me, I'll have to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, it's just, okay.
Okay, very good.